In this video, I'm going to show you how you can tag different people on an Instagram post. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to create a new post. So I head over to my home page and swipe right. And down here, I choose post. And here from my gallery, I choose something like this photo to post. You can edit it, whatever you want. You can select multiple photos if you want and then tap next. Here you can edit it, you can add audio or you can add different filters, whatever. Then you tap next. And this is the section. You can tag different people. As you can see, it says tag people. If you tap on that, you can just tap on one part of the screen and type your friend's name. Maybe they are in this photo. In this case, my friend has taken this photo from me, so maybe I tag her like this. Or you can even invite collaborators. That way, that post will be posted on their page as well as yours. Like this in this photo, let's say my friend has taken this photo from me and we both want to post it, me as the one in the photo and her as the photographer. So I invite her and that way she will see it as a message in our direct messages. And if she accepts the collaboration, this post will be posted on both our pages. But that is for collaboration. And if I don't want to add her as a collaborator, I can just tag her just like that and tap done. And once I share this post, my friend will be tagged on this photo. And as you just saw, tagging someone doesn't need their permission, but if you want to collaborate with them, you do need their permission. Hope this helps and subscribe for more videos like this.